Now this video in the series for iPad, the beginners series, how to use textures in Affinity Designer. And textures, you may recall, are simply things like PNG or JPEG files of textures, brick walls, stones, sand, grunge effects, things like that that you can place on your image or photo to change its outlook. So let's open your image file, or the file you would like the texture on, and I've selected an old building there. Select Command and Place Image to access your texture file. The texture file will appear over your image. Now this is a fairly inappropriate texture, but it serves to demonstrate a simple texture that I'm using. Ensure your texture file is selected in the Layers palette. Resize your texture to cover your image. You can see there's two layers there. When using texture, there are three common effects you can use on your texture that will give you a great result. These are the three I most use, but I recommend for you to have a play with the effects. You'll see a drop-down box in the Layers palette. It will say Normal. Change this to Overlay. The texture file will change and create the effect on your image. So you can see your image clearly through the texture. Some textures, obviously, are not opaque. Or, I should say, are opaque and you won't be able to see your image. So you change it to Overlay and you will get the slight effect. Soft light is another effect in the Layers drop-down box, which can give you a very subtle texture effect. And you can see that those hard coloured lights have disappeared and become much softer. For a more intense texture effect, I recommend hard light in the drop-down box. This can give your image a really interesting look. If you like the effect but want a subtler effect, you can also change the opacity of your texture layer by going to the Layers palette and moving the slider and change the percentage of opacity. And you can see I've reduced the opacity there to like 23%, so it's barely visible. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like in the YouTube panel. Thank you for watching.